Today we're going to go through installation for an XtremeAir wall mount vanity. Here are the tools and materials that you'll need for the installation. You need additional screws, silicone, levels, the toggle bolts or butterfly brackets, pencil, 1/8 inch drill bit, 3/8 inch drill bit, screw bits for the power screwdriver, tape measure, and gloves. All right, so this is going to be the finished product after installation. And the total height from the floor, we recommend 36 inches, but it can also depend on your local building codes. All right, so step one is you're going to determine the height of the vanity. Now you notice in this one, I took out the drawers just to make sure, or just to have lighter weight. And so you're gonna have the overall height minus the thickness of the countertop. In this instance, it's 1 inch, so we're going to have it at 35 inches from the floor, and then you use your level it off, and then mark it. All right, so the next step is to position where you want the cabinet on the wall. So I went ahead and marked the edge right here, and so then you're going to hold the cabinet up to drill the pilot holes. It's easier to have somebody help you, or you can prop it up underneath to the correct height, or you can hold it like I am here with a leg underneath. And then you're going to use the 1/8 drill bit and then drill through the holes into the brackets, through the back bar, and into the wall. Do that the same thing, both sides. We're ready for the next step. The next step is to make the pilot holes larger so that you can put the toggle bolt into it. And so we're going to use the 1/2 inch or 3/8, and then we'll go in that bigger. All right, the next step is going to get ready to go into the wall. So you're going to have your toggle bolts. So you're going to insert that into the hole that you made in the back of the cabinet here. And then you're going to put the butterfly part on, screw it in just a little bit. All right, as you can see, we've added silicone around the border of the back to help strengthen and secure it to the wall even more. And then we have 2 of the toggle bolts in place, ready to insert into the wall. Okay, and then you want to make sure to have the toggle bolt sticking out at least 1 inch or so that when you tap it in, it can move into the wall. Okay, screw them in a little, line it up to the correct position, and finish tightening them up. Right, and then you wipe off any excess silicone off the top and the sides. All right, so the next step is we're going to use a stud finder to find where the stud is in the wall behind, and then we're going to put an additional screw into both the top bar and the bottom bar to help secure. Okay, so we found it. Okay, after that, we are nice and secure. Solid. Okay, so now we have the countertop and we're going to place it into position. Okay, even on both sides. And then clean up the bottom edge if necessary. All right, and then after you have it installed, make sure to put all your plumbing fixtures and everything together and the pipes. And then after that, the last step is to install the drawers.